So, welcome back to another attempt of doing a moto vlogging. So, right now we are going to test audio quality. So, this is the audio quality before the any audio processing, and we will try to achieve a production level audio quality, and we will learn to speak about we will see how the things are going with the footage, and we will learn about what we can speak. So as far as I have set up, recording is 1080p and 25 fps, and audio, for audio I have set up Sony lavalier mic, and I have Victor 2 helmet from LS2. So with this helmet it is expected to not have much noise inside, but we will see how the noise is present, and how I can reduce that in the post production. So after this portion, whatever you see or hear is after post production. I will try to edit this clip as vertical also, so if you are seeing it in Instagram, like it, so I will know this quality is proper or not. But as far as I see how I can do, this has happened today. Someone has hit it on the glass, and this glass is loosen up. So this is not something that only I had that issue, but this should be fixed. So right now I have Yamaha, which is my routine ordinary bike, and but still we are starting off with this, and if we are starting with this, and if we are getting everything, then we will continue doing this, and we will see how we can utilize this, and if there is anything special, then I will put it on Instagram or YouTube also. But for this attempt, it is expected to fix audio before the video fix. So we will do video fix also, but video fix is not focused as of now. As of now, focus is on audio setup only. तो we will अभी हम धीरे धीरे देखेंगे कि कैसे होता है, और अगर कुछ ऐसा कुछ हो जो हम फिक्स ना कर पाए, या फिर इट इज़ नॉट फिक्सेबल इन द पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन, तो फिर हमें दूसरा अटेम्प्ट लगेगा. I wanted to shoot it in the bright light, but we will see how we can fix it in a not so bright, and we will see what we can tweak settings of GoPro. So right now I have limited the ISO to 800 max, but I need to see. I am not sure it is on that setting or not, but it should record at least, but we will see that it is recorded or not, or what. So if this is working, and then we will be able to a park on one side and empty space, empty university space on the left side. And this road was my favorite till it had so much traffic now. But in previous years, like 10 years before, it has no traffic, and it was a best choice for a spin. So now it has so many bumps, so many vehicles, and so much of development on the left side of the road, but it is still a good spin because everywhere else has more traffic, and that is not making a ride enjoyable. So next I will learn how to edit videos, like especially motovlogs. So there are people who are centric to motovlogging, but they don't share how they edit. And whatever I had queries or whatever I wanted to learn, that was not present on YouTube or Instagram. So what I can do, or what I can share with you, is something that, especially on a motovlog, if you edit your audio or edit your video, how would be the workflow, or how you can easily do things and not the heavy editing needed. So many people are doing so much heavy editing also, and travel vlog and all, but स्टार्ट कहाँ से करना है वो किसी को इतना ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करते हुए देखा नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, वॉट एवर आई लर्न, आई विल शेयर विथ एवरी वन if I will be able to, or if I make content regarding this. So first thing first is learn about editing, like how you can process your audio, or how you can edit your video. So after that it will be much easier to focus on your bike or your surrounded, or anything else, whatever you wanted to show. It will not be a hustle for post production afterwards. So that will be easier for any beginner who wanted to do this kind of things, but that is not a issue. So पुलिस अपने काम पे लगी हुई है, हम थोड़े हुए साइड में होते हुए, बिकॉज दिस बाइक don't have a number plate which is government approved. For that it has a long process, and I am not getting time to visit police station, because in one of my major accident, it was fell off, because after, at the point of accident, it was night, and due to gravels, my bike was fumbled, and there was a construction beside the road, so many rocks on the road was there. So I lost the grip and I fell off, and due to that, the front headlight and front what we can say, this part has broken, and it has a number plate on it. So with that, I was not able to recover a number plate, or even I was not knowing that that number plate is needed for a new number plate. So that was the issue, and with that I went to some authorized number plate maker, and he said that you have to go to police station to get affidavit or something. तो अभी देखते हैं कि वो this guy also has a number plate which is about to fail, but will be a issue for him also. But yeah, right now my motive of taking footage is I hope it is achieved, but before or after. So, see you later.